Hey, you. Welcome to my house. Hi there, friends. I'm Pumpkin Dude. Whoa. Those are some silly hiccups. Can you help me get rid of them? I heard the best way to stop hiccups is to do a fun hiccup buster together. Man, we really got to get rid of these hiccups. Let's do a few hiccup busters together. First, let's try a big, goofy breath. Breathe in, as big as a pumpkin patch. Now, exhale, blow out like a windy autumn day. Not quite yet. Let's try a silly sip. Imagine a big, icy lemonade. Ready? Refreshing. Okay, time for the super secret tickle your nose trick. Can you wiggle your nose with your fingers? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we need a funny story to distract the hiccups. Do you know why pumpkins never get lost? Because they always follow the gorgeous path. I tried everything. Jokes don't work, breathing doesn't work, not even the simplest wiggle of your nose would work. There is only one more thing left to do. You must scare me. Make a scary face of your own, and then roar at me. Wow, that's an amazing scary face. Oh, I think I feel it fading. Let's do one last thing, a gentle hiccup count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And on 3, no hiccup. We did it. Thank you, my super helpful friend. If you ever hear hiccups again, just remember our Playdate tricks. This is Pumpkin Dude, over and out. Oh, not again.